Okay, I'm working on a 1975 Bricklin SV1 today, and it is number 977 out of the 1,400 something odd cars they made. It's a really nice car. Everybody that sees it thinks it's a Corvette, but it's not a Corvette. It's got a 351 Windsor 2-barrel engine in it. It's got hydraulic cylinders to operate the door. The door is sprung. I'm working on the door. I'm going to be working on getting it running today. Original rims and tires. It's got 9,000 miles on this car. So I will be working on it, and I'll be posting more videos as I go through today. All right, this is Archer. Talking to you later. Over now.